Welcome back to the bench. Today we're revisiting this Amiga 500 memory expansion, which I failed to get working. Yeah, I think the body's just too far gone. There's still a lot of corrosion on here that I didn't get rid of. And yeah, around these chips, even though I tried to reflow them, it didn't really go too well. So this is one of the main reasons I bought this hot air rework station, which I featured in my last video, so that I can easily remove chips like this. I'm not sure if these chips are going to be salvageable, whether I can put them onto another board or maybe even make my own board. It might be an interesting exercise to make my own Amiga 500 RAM card. Let's just screw this in here. It wants to rotate while I'm trying to screw it in. Okay, so let's turn it on. It's set for 300. So give it a minute or so to I'm not sure how long actually I'll do that. Let's just put some flux on the, it's going to need plenty of flux to get that solder going. Hopefully you can hear me clear enough with the noise of the fan. It's just turned off because obviously I put it in its holder. Okay. So that's warming up. I have my tweezers here, although I'm not sure which ones are going to be the best in this case. The chips are a little bit wide. I suppose I can just reflow it and then just push it off. Okay. So for all intents and purposes, this board is dead, so this is just practice with chip removal using this new rework station. I'm not sure what temperature this is going to have to go to melt this. I've set it to 300 at the moment. Maybe I can turn the airflow down. I think it's probably a little bit too high. Just move in a circular motion just to keep the whole thing warmed up. Taking its time. Maybe I need to increase the temperature. Oh no, it's time to go now. And there we have it. There's one off. 3 to go. Hopefully this one won't take as long because I think a lot of the time was warming up the board. can hear it coming. Yeah, it's starting to lift. Certainly on this end. Yeah, so that's 2 off. Not ready to come yet. Okay. Yeah, it's starting to come. Okay, so that's all 4 chips off. This was the first one, so it should be quite a bit cooler now. And we can see all the pins are intact, so nothing's been bent or pulled off. There doesn't appear to be any pads stuck to the board, stuck to the chip. And pick up the board carefully because this is actually going to be quite hot still. Yeah, we can see, you know, the state of the board. It doesn't actually look too bad under those chips. I mean, it could be the chips are good. It might be that I need to invest some time in tracing the pinouts just to see if there's any broken tracks. I mean, it could be a problem with one of these vias. It would be nice to get this thing working again. Especially if we could add another 4 chips to it to make it up to a 1 megabyte card. So yeah, let's just try and clean that up a little bit with some IPA. It'll also help it cool down a little bit. Bring in the toothbrush. Yeah. So maybe we can give this board a thorough inspection. Maybe we can figure out exactly what's wrong with it. But that's a job for another time. This is just a quick video on using my new hot air rework station just to remove some chips. Because yeah, I don't think it would have been possible to do it with a soldering iron. Not without the aid of something like what they call it, quick chip product. It's a low temperature desoldering alloy, but that stuff's quite expensive. I can see there's a lot of corrosion on these pins. No, I don't know if you can see that. I'll bring it up. But you know, maybe we can clean these up and see if I can find some way of testing these chips. You never know, we could get it working again. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. Consider hitting that subscribe button. And also, if you do and you'd like to get notified of future uploads, then you can ring my bell. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you next time.